Hi, we're on a relevel job. Glad to have you with us. Actually, it's a little more. This is one we run into before where they set up piers with a single half pad, and you notice how much it settled there without any weight on it. It's actually got a gap right there. And this is a two 40-foot portable buildings and one building in between in like an I shape. And so we're resetting the piers, adding a half pad on the bottom, cutting it across so that the block will be supported by that. And now we're doubling, instead of one half pad, it's two cap blocks. And it should be a 16 by 16 perimeter block. We can make do with this, but it should have been done this way. And then the straps are little cables with a pin, and we get 90-mile-an-hour winds here. I think 4 events Clay looked up in 3 years, every 3 years. So I'm not going to trust that to work. A 90-mile-an-hour or a tornado hits this, it's not going to hold up to it anyway, but we're looking to survive all the ones in between the tornado or an act of God, and that cable will not do it. So we're going to spend all day long and probably tomorrow working on it, changing all the piers and making it better. That's what we do, we make it better. But you walk around, show them the rest of the job, and then we'll take breaks and show what we're doing with the piers. So we've set our water level up. You can watch some of the other videos. We use a food coloring liquid, and we put it in the water, shake it up, and we get a color. You can use green, you can use blue, you can use orange, and red is what we use on this case. And then we set it to the bottom of the 4x6 here, and that's what we're going to take all the way around and use to get this place level. So just to let you know what we did. Use the other, if you have any questions on how to set this thing up, even how to build one of these, there's a video on how to do that too, for very, very low cost. So and you can use it for way more than just leveling houses. You can use it to level ground, even set fall by using math. You got level and you want it to fall, 7-8 inches that way. You just graduate it out with this. It'd be on a tape measure, it'd be 7-8 inches higher or lower. Okay, we'll come back when we get ready to set up the next pier. We'll show you how we're going to do these piers over and over again. Probably 70, 80 of them that we got to set the proper way with 2 half pads, and we'll take you with us. All right, we're clear. All right. The blocks are gonna go this way, so I need to turn the half pads this way. Let's see how level we are. Using a little torpedo level. So on this side is high, which is not too bad. And I need to center this one in the center of the 4x6. Pretty close. All right. All right. Don't really want this pier sticking out past the edge. Looks like I am. All right, that's where we start, and we start using the water level on it. We'll see where we got to go.
All right.
See how I move that? All right, go ahead.
You're good.
So I'm moving this water level over here, and I'm getting away from the busted area. But they've got it pretty good right there, or I've got it pretty good. So that one's good. Well, Clay and I did almost 40 piers. Yesterday we had to take down and then build back up with the width that we needed at the bottom. So it's all level now. I think we were almost 2.5 inches out on the back and 1.25 inches here and random 3/4 on this one. So it was sort of close, but it was out of level. And a lot of piers were not touching to support anything. So there was a lot of issues, and I'm glad we got it taken care of. We did it for a cheaper price, and I like the guy that I'm working for here. He's a really cool dude. So anyway, this is something that, you know, we couldn't take you with us all the way through because we had nearly 7.5 hours on the job, and then another hour drive back and forth, and then getting ready for it. So we probably had 10 hours easy altogether for that day. But these are all things you can do, and we use the water level, which I show the videos in other videos on how to use it and how to make it. See ya.